All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do another one of our epic unboxing videos. I've not done one of these in over a year. Liam, which box are we going to unbox? That one or that one?
That one.
This one?
This one.
Okay, let's do it.
Pick it up.
Carry it for Dad. You get that side, I get this side. You get it? Okay, this box, you guys know what it is because it's in the title, but it's a teaser, and I'll tell you why.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to the channel. We gotta open this box.
All right, so we are going to open this teaser box. This box has been sitting in front of the door for, I'd say, at least a month and a half now, and I haven't opened it yet because it's a tease, and I know I can't even use what's inside. What do we have here? What is that, buddy?
Look at that, buddy.
What is that?
Is there now?
What is this? What is this?
Wow. What's this?
What is this? What's in? That's more boxes, buddy.
What is it? Should we
Another
open
box?
it?
All right, let's get rid of that box, and then let's bring the camera closer. All right, so what we have here is a OneWheel GT hypercharger and a bumper kit and some side pieces for the OneWheel GT. And the last thing, OneWheel GT fender. Let's open these up and let me show you them, and then I'll talk about why it's a tease. All right, so we have these 4 products in front of us. We, Liam and I, of course, right? We ordered a OneWheel GT back in November for Black Friday, and I have wanted a OneWheel for probably like a year and a half, ever since my brother-in-law, Jace, and my other brother-in-law, Trevor, got one.
Let's go!
Babe, how do you get the...
But they're so expensive. If you've ever looked into OneWheels, they are ridiculously expensive. Like, you can get a dirt bike for the price of a OneWheel. It's absolutely crazy, but they are built like tanks, and they have had their OneWheel XRs for going on, I don't know, a year and a half, and they are amazing. They're built very well.
We out here on an adventure.
And the OneWheel GT is an upgraded version of the XR. So I'm really excited. I'm glad I waited, and I'm gonna get GT. The XRs are great, but the GTs have treaded tire, more power, better pushback, which is, if you don't know anything about OneWheels, it's when you're leaning forward, it prevents it from nose diving. It gives you good pushback. Liam, come back here, that's very distracting. Yeah, so, and they have brighter lights, and the reason I am naming this video the OneWheel GT tease, or that this package was a tease, because I got this package a month and a half ago. It's just been sitting in front of the door, and I knew the OneWheel wasn't included. It's just the accessories. I ordered the OneWheel in November. They said it would be here beginning of March, and then they said the end of March, and now it's like April 14th. It just keeps changing the date it'll get here. I didn't know that we are going to be one of the first people to get them. Obviously, people have them. They're being shipped right now, but I didn't know they were so new that people aren't even getting them yet. Like, that it's like a brand new product that it's going to take, like, we're going to be one of the first people to get them. So I'm super excited. There's going to be OneWheel content coming to the channel. I am really excited because motorcycle stuff I can only do every once in a while. Bruh. Come back here. Come back here, I'm booting you out of the video. Do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah.
It's all you, buddy.
And are you ready?
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna finish, right?
Okay.
Bust it. That's my boy. All right, motorcycle stuff I can only do like a couple times a month, and then RC stuff, I'm breaking my RC cars like no other.
Oh! I crashed it?
Oh, buddy.
Oh, buddy.
Now we're gonna have to fix it again.
Let's fix it again.
High five. No, bust it. Yeah. Literally, the Haas is fixed right now. Everything else is broken, and I'm sure the Haas won't last long. Anyways, but the OneWheel, because it's summer, right now it's beginning of April, it's March 30th right now, and boom, we have all summer to cruise on the OneWheel. It's something that can be used every day, unlike a motorcycle or an RC car, which we break very often. So we're very excited. If you are excited for some OneWheel content, please subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, I just wanted to share this. So be looking out for the OneWheel GT unboxing video that we're going to be doing here, hopefully around April. Just a quick channel update, like I did one a little bit ago. We are very behind on editing videos. We haven't been doing it due to problems with YouTube. We didn't know if we'd have to create a new channel or not. I'm hoping that we don't. So I'm going to be uploading new videos like this one shortly after I make them. And then also my old videos from last year that I never edited and uploaded due to the problem with my YouTube channel. So please be patient with us. And those of you who are here because you like Liam, and you like Bryce, and you like Kaiko, and Braden, just like our family, we appreciate it. And if you're here for a little specific content like RC cars, motorcycles. Uh-oh. Oh. Thank goodness for bar protectors. Jeeps.
Jeep driving, off-road jeeping, off-road jeeping. It's so freaking cool. Driving off-road, off-road jeeping. Do. Oh, look, a pupper.
OneWheels. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope you stop by frequently. Thanks for watching, Liam.
Thanks for watching our channel. Let's see you in the next video. See you next time. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bruh.